Do grades determine success? If you have good grades, are you guaranteed to be successful? If you have bad grades, are you guaranteed to not be successful? Today we're going to dive into a story about a friend that I knew in high school and his path to success. My friend in high school thought school was a waste of time. He constantly argued with parents about schoolwork, clothes, video games, and social life. He graduated high school with a 3.0 GPA, and he graduated college with a 2.3 GPA in computer science. My friend, however, applied himself at other things. He spent a lot of effort mastering video games. He actually became one of the top video gamers in the world in Call of Duty Modern Warfare, top 1,000. He learned programming languages in his free time as well. He knew 5 by graduation and 9 afterwards. He worked on programming projects for companies while in college as internships. And then when he graduated, he had his resume revised by an expert, and he applied to 20 jobs per day for 2 months. And he customized each application to the specific job position. And my friend was successful after college. He got a job working as a computer programmer for $70,000 a year. The work was very easy for him and he enjoyed it. And after 2 years, a coworker referred him to another company and he now earns $100,000 per year. Getting good grades isn't the only determining factor of success. Although getting good grades can lead to success, it is not the only factor. The same principles of success people put in to get good grades can also be practiced in other areas of life. I found some surprising statistics about billionaires. 30% of the world's billionaires didn't go to college, and 23% of those who attended college didn't go to an elite school. That means more than 1 out of 2 billionaires either didn't go to college or went to just a regular college. The 3 keys to success. There are 3 keys to becoming successful in any area of life, including programming, video games, sports, whatever. The first key is find what you love and are good at. My friend found that he loved video games and he loved programming, and he was good at them. 2, don't wait. Start doing it. Whatever stage of life you're in, you can start today at what you love and what you're good at. And then 3, put everything you have into it. Conclusion. Follow the 3 keys to success. Do what you love and comes easy to you. Start now and put everything you have into it. You'll find that the most successful people in life follow these same 3 keys to success.
Thank you for watching. If you liked the video and you want to see more, press the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any questions, please put them in the comments below and we'll answer them in future videos.